Welcome the students of class 8, welcome to our social science history class, and today in this class we are going to revise the chapter number 9 of your old NCERT book and chapter number 7 or chapter number 7 from your new NCERT book, and the name of the chapter is Women, Caste and Reform. So, let us see some inside question from that chapter. So, the first question is, who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj? And the answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Okay. So, 4 options will be given in your examination, you have to choose the correct option. So, I am here directly given the answer. So, who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj? The correct answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Next one, the practice of sati was banned in. So, the question is, in which year actually the practice of sati was banned, and the answer is 1829 AD. 1829 the practice of sati was banned, and the Raja Ram Mohan Roy was requested and also represent various texts from ancient India texts to support the idea that sati, the idea of sati was not sanctioned by the ancient texts in India. So, that is why Lord William Bentinck, the governor of India at the time, who banned the practice of sati. Next one, Dash was founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. So, which organization was founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati? It is the Arya Samaj. Arya Samaj. It is mainly the Punjab based organization and worked mainly on the North India. Next one, 4, that schools for girls were established in Calcutta by Dash. Schools for girls were established in Calcutta by, as per your book, it is the Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Other personalities also established many books, many schools for girls, but first initiative was from Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Next one, number 5, Paramhans Mandali was founded in Dash. In which city or which place Paramhans Mandali was founded? It is in Bombay. Okay. Now, let us see some next questions and answers. Okay, students. So, now another 5 questions. So, these are question number 6, that B.R. Ambedkar belongs to which community? That B.R. Ambedkar belongs to Mahar community. Okay, so Mahar is a community of untouchables. So, Mahar is a community of untouchables of Maharashtra in South India, Western India. Okay, so now question number 7. So, it is from dash to dash Ambedkar led 3 temple entry movements. From which year to which year Ambedkar led 3 temple entry movements? So, it is from, so Ambedkar led 3 temple entry movements from 1927 to 1935. So, he led 3 temple entry movement from 1927 to 1925. Next question, question number 8, that Jyotirao Phule dedicated his book Gulamgiri to all those people, all those Americans had fought to free slaves. Fought to free slaves. Okay. So, this is the answer of question number 8. Now, question number 9, that Aligarh movement was initiated by, you know that Aligarh movement, the Aligarh Anglo Oriental College was established at first, and from that place it was a movement also in the Muslim society, the Reformation movement was started, and who started that movement, and the university and the college, Anglo Oriental College, Muslim Aligarh Anglo Oriental College, later known as Aligarh Muslim University, and initiated by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Okay. So, this is the answer. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was the person who initiated the Aligarh movement. Next one, that Prarthana Samaj was established in, Prarthana Samaj, an organization established, it is established in Bombay, in which year? So, it was established in 1867 AD. Okay. So, this is the answer of the last question. Prarthana Samaj was established in 1867 in Bombay. So, students, that is all from our extra question answer session. So, I hope you have understood all the extra question and answers. So, read the chapter carefully, go through the chapters. Best of luck for your examination. Thank you for watching. Bye.